Assalamu alaikum students. This is your English language topic 3 video and your topic 3 is articles, class 8, subject English, book the grammar tree 8 and the teacher's name is Ms. Shumaila. Articles. In this video we will come to know about what are articles, what are their kinds and how we can use them. An article is a determiner that signals the coming of a noun. Actually, article signals that a noun is coming. So we have to put them according to the noun. A, an and the are articles. These are the kinds of articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. These articles are used to denote one and are used with singular countable nouns. Actually, A and N both are indefinite articles and we have to put them before a singular countable noun. But we have to differentiate as the both are working same. So we have to differentiate that where we have to put A and where we have to put N. A is used before a consonant and N is used before a vowel. As you know that A, I, O, U are vowels and all other alphabets are called consonants. For example, I am a teacher. In this sentence, a is a determiner or article. Why I have put a over here? The first word of the noun teacher is T. It's a consonant sound. That's why we are putting a over here. He is eating an orange. Here, an is an article. Why teacher is singular, orange is also singular. Why I have put an over here? Because the first word of the noun orange, O is giving us a vowel sound. That's why we have put an over here. Actually, when we have to differentiate that where we have to put A and where we have to put N, we have to go with the sounds. If the sound is vowel, then we will put N, and if the sound is consonant, then we will put A. Vowel sounds means to use A and N. Using an and r does not depend on the spelling of the word. It comes before. It depends on the pronunciation of the words. Actually, what it happens, it is mostly taught to you that you have to put an before the noun which starts with a vowel alphabet and you have to put a before the noun which starts with a consonant alphabet. This is not the complete explanation of the usage of articles. Actually, it depends on the pronunciation of the word. In most cases, the an is used before words that begin with vowels like an apple, an elephant, an igloo, an oven, an umbrella. If a word starts with a consonant sound, use a ball, a car, a door. But it's not a complete definition. In the next slides, we will come to know that where we have to put and where we have to put an and where we have to put a according to the pronunciation of the word. Vowel sounds. It is very important to know that when a word starts with a vowel sound, you should use N. Sometimes U is pronounced as Y. Try saying these two words. See, notice how the U is pronounced in two different ways. Number one is an unforgettable experience and number two is our university. The both words unforgettable and university are starting with U. Then why we have put an with unforgettable and R with university? Because unforgettable has a vowel sound, so we use N over here, unforgettable. But university has a Y sound, so we use A. This is also the case with O, which may sometimes have a W sound. Compare. And octopus. And a one-track mind. Over here we have used N with octopus because here octopus is giving us the vowel sound O. Rather, one-track mind over here one O is not giving us O sound or vowel sound. Here O is giving us W sound and W is a consonant alphabet. That's why we will put A over here. examples. The silent H. Sometimes with words that begin with H, the H sound is not pronounced. Unfortunately, there is no rule but about when the H is silent. Let's look at an example. An honor. Over here, H is silent. We use N because the honor has a vowel sound. Because over here, we are not pronouncing the word H, which is a consonant sound. Over here, we are pronouncing the word with a vowel sound, that is honor. That's why we are putting an over here. A historic day. Over here, H is pronounced. Historic starts with an H sound, and H is a consonant sound. That's why we will put A over here. Here are the other rules of using A and A. Rules of using A. A is used before words beginning with a vowel that has a consonant sound. I have already explained a year, a university, etc. To mean one thing or one person which is countable, as you know that A and N both are used before singular countable nouns. For example, a bird, a child. To show a kind, class or species, like a tiger is larger than a leopard. To express a certain quantity, like a dozen oranges, a group of people. Before half, when half follows a whole number, 2.5 cups, half a glass of water. To show rank, profession and community. Examples, a doctor, a Muslim. Rules of using an. An is used before a verb. Examples, an egg, an umbrella, an interview. Egg, umbrella and interview. All the nouns are giving us vowel sound. It is used before a mutage, as I have already explained, an honor, an honest man. It is used before an individual letter spoken with a vowel sound, like he is an MNA. Over here, M is a consonant alphabet, but M is giving us here a sound, and A is a vowel sound, MNA. That's why we are putting M with it. Now we will come to know that where we have to use the before the superlative form of an adjective, as we are having 3 forms of adjectives, degrees of adjectives. With superlative degree, we always use the best, the greatest, before a noun to show a unit of measurements, like mangoes are sold by the kilo. Before geographical proper nouns, like the Himalayas, the Sahara, the Pacific. Before the cardinal directions, like the north of Canada, the west of Pakistan, etc. Before certain common nouns, the cinema, the temple, the airport. Here are the other uses of the. The is used before a definite noun which has already been mentioned. Sometimes we mention a noun in the first sentence, and in the second sentence that noun becomes a definite noun. For example, I saw a boy in the street. The boy was playing flute. The person has seen a boy in the street, but the specific boy was playing flute, and the noun has become definite. That's why we will use the over here. When the singular noun represents a class, for example, the lion is a carnivorous animal, because here the lion is representing the whole class of lions. Before an adjective when it represents a class, the rich, the poor. Before an adjective when it shows a quality, example, the green trees. Omission of the article. Sometimes it happens that we don't have to put any article before a noun. We will not use a, an and the. The article is omitted. That's why it's called omission of the article. The article is omitted before proper material and abstract noun. Like Ahmad is a proper noun. We will not use any article before Ahmad. Like gold, silver. They are materials, wood. We will not use any article. Abstract nouns like honesty, poverty. We will not use any article before them. Plural nouns, boys, girls, cats, dogs. Uncountable nouns like milk, water. Languages and academic subjects like English, Urdu, math. Names of parts of the body like shoulder, hand, foot, mouth. Names of games, hockey, cricket. Before certain words such as home, hospital, prison, school, when these words are used for institutions, then we will not use any article with them. This is your exercise A at page number 71. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. We shall be back in dash hour. Over here H is silent and hour is giving us a consonant sounds because it's starting with word O. That's why we will put an over here. Dash loin is the biggest of all cats. Over here loin is representing the whole class of lions. That's why we will put the over here. The lion is the biggest of all cats. He has lost a dash 50 rupees note. Here 50. This word is giving us consonant sound. That's why we will put a over here. You must wait for dash opportunities to speak to him. Over here, opportunity is giving us O sound. It means it's a vowel sound. That's why we will put an over here. I want to become dash actress. Over here, actress is giving us a sound. It's a vowel sound. That's why we will put an over here. They are in dash. Hurry. Hurry is here giving us the sound of H, and H is a consonant sound. That's why we will put they are in a hurry. Always speak dash truth. The truth. This is dash book I borrowed from my friend. Over here the book is specific. It's a definite noun. That's why we will put this is the book I borrowed from my friend. We visited dash Shah Faisal Mosque last year. Here Shah Faisal Mosque is the name, is a proper noun and it's the name of a mosque. That's why we will not put any article with him because as I know that before proper nouns we don't have to put any type of article. That's why it will be a zero article. Islamabad is dash capital of Pakistan. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Riza wants to become dash engineer. Engineer is giving us vowel sounds. That's why we are putting an over here. Dash stars shine in dash sky at night. Sky stars are heavenly bodies, and in heavenly bodies we always use the. The stars shine in the sky. Help dash needy. Here needy. Needy is again representing a class, and whenever an adjective represents a class, we always use the over here. Help the needy. Steel is dash toughest metal. Here toughest is the superlative degree of adjectives. That's why we are going to put the over here. Steel is the toughest metal. Students, this is your written task. Write definition of article, its kinds and their usage. Learn the definitions and practice exercises. Home assignment. Solve exercise B, part 1, 2 and 3 at page number 71 in your book, The Grammar Tree. And you have to do all this work in your English language notebooks.